every beginning of the new year, you should get new pans. They have 3 really pretty color options. We chose this really pretty dark blue color. Ooh, oh, that's smooth. This is like the perfect egg frying size. Yes, oh, that's really pretty. Ooh, this is like a really nice saucepan size. This is like the stir frying size. Oh, Jay, this is perfect.
Yeah.
This is the size you love to cook with. What I love about these is they have a non-toxic ceramic non-stick coating. So you can fry on this and it won't stick on. It smells fresher when we're cooking.
You passed, Jay. You passed the potato test.
Thank you.
Wow.
Look at that. Oh.